But the history of this island is unique. 10 million years ago, something extraordinary happened. Hurtling from space is a meteor. And as it breaks through the troposphere, it shatters into 4 large pieces that have Langkawi on its crosshairs. And it comes smashing onto the island to create an extinction event to all life on land and the immediate oceans. Through the millions of years that was to follow, nature will once again establish itself with birds carrying seeds, with animals carried on driftwood, and with the rise and falls of the ocean, forests once again reclaiming the island. A wonderful study in island biogeography. Langkawi is finally re-established, and Eden recreated.